overall, you know J.J. Thomson's theory concerning his understanding of the atomic theory. Around the year 1897, what he was able to accomplish was the discovery of this particular particle in a particular atom. And this particle here is known as what? An electron, which is what known to be a negative charge particle. And this year he used a particular device called a cathode to discover this due to a cool deflection of this particular particle when it went through electrodes in a particular tube. This is not the best drawing of it, but well, you kind of get the idea. Now back to the general idea of how this device works. What happens that when you shoot a cathode, which is a negative charge, it goes through this particular field that has a combination of magnetic and electric field, and so this positive and negative pole created will cause this particular cathode to deflect to the positive side, and so the cathode ray will hit this particular phosphorescent coating that result in a glow here that implies that this here is negatively charged, and that should be the negative particles that are present in that cathode. So this here was really important because he said that atoms should be able to have electrons in there, and this electron should be balanced with some kind of positive thing that wasn't discovered yet. So this balance here, when you draw it using a particular model that Thomson created, it should look something like not this, but something like this right here, which has positive, negative, and so on. And this here for a neutral particle should be what? Equal in terms of the number of electrons and the number of positive particles. And this here is known as what? The Plum pudding model. Funny enough, side note, I missed a negative charge here to keep this neutral, so that makes sense. So pretty fascinating stuff when it comes to his understanding of the atom and how it can be visually represented here in the atomic theory. So see you all on the next one, where we're going to look at a new theory that kind of contradicts what this here is all about here on this particular channel.